With the layer selected, get the pen tool. Draw a line over the layer. Toggle down the layer. Under Path Options, select Mask 1. Drag the first margin until the text is off the screen. Press the stopwatch to put a keyframe. Move over on the timeline. Change the first margin number to 0. Move over on the timeline. Press the keyframe button. Move over again on the timeline. Now drag the first margin until the text is off the screen. Select the keyframes, press F9 to easy ease, and adjust the graph editor. Subscribe for more tutorials.